In this video, we're going to have a look at how to embed a YouTube video into your website. So I've just grabbed one of my recent YouTube videos. You can obviously go onto YouTube, select any that you want to embed on your website, click onto it as I've done here, hit the share button, click embed. You've then got a few options here. So I was watching for a few seconds, so if you click it will start at the point you've wanted it to start at. So if you wanted it to start 2-3 minutes into a video, you can do, or one click just for it to start at the beginning. Left click and then it automatically selects all. You then right click for a copy. Go to your website. So I've just put example blog here in the post. Click text. This will then bring up the code, the area to place the code, sorry. Place the code in, visual, and there's your video on your website.